Hey there, Calgary. Is your house giving you headaches? Maybe it needs repairs. You're behind on payments, dealing with a divorce, or you've inherited a property you don't need. Downsizing, moving to a senior home, or just tired of your house sitting on the market with no bites? True North Homes is here to make selling your house hassle-free and stress-free. Wondering why True North Homes might be the solution you've been looking for? Let me tell you. We offer fast or flexible closing on your timeline, whether you need it fast or want to take your time. You can sell your house as is, with no need for repairs, cleaning, or staging. Just leave anything behind. Plus, there are zero commissions or closing costs. We even cover your next month's mortgage and moving expenses. And the best part? Our simple and confidential cash offer has no lengthy bank financing conditions or last-minute surprises. It's straightforward, fair, and on your terms, with complete privacy. The process? Super simple and stress-free. First, contact us by filling out a form or giving us a call. Next, we gather basic info and do a quick walkthrough of your property. Finally, you get a no-obligation cash offer the same day, and we handle the rest. Since 2018, True North Homes has been helping homeowners like you with honest and efficient house selling solutions. Our 5-star ratings on Google and Facebook say it all. Ready to sell your house? Call us now or click the link below to get started. Let True North Homes take the stress out of selling your house. Don't wait. Experience the easiest way to sell your house with True North Homes today.